What's up, Wise Flyers? Welcome to the unboxing video of my newly improved Barclays AAdvantage Aviator World Mastercard business version. Really excited I got this card. It's a first purchase to get 60,000 American airline miles with an annual fee of $95. Let's get right into the unboxing. All right, welcome to my second ever unboxing video. If you haven't watched my World of Hyatt unboxing, click the link probably over here and you could see that one as well. So this is the Barclays Aviator, American Airlines card, which I'm excited. So this one isn't open yet. With my other unboxing video, I had to open it because I got both these cards at the same time. So let's get right into it. Let's open it together and explore this together. Some people open these up with knives. I just use my finger. If you open it up with a knife or your finger, let me know in the comments below. So I do have my address here, so I'm just gonna kind of peek around. There we go. I don't know if you saw that or not. Just don't want you guys coming to visit me at my house. But we have a 14,000 line of credit, and that's pretty much the only important information here. This is the business card also. I don't know if I mentioned that before. So we'll save this part for last. We'll leave that there. Let's go through the other juicy stuff. This just gives some information about my AAdvantage Aviator business card. So my credit, or my APR is 17.99%. That's so high. I can never imagine even paying interest on a card. So it's important. I'm sure you've heard me mention it before. Always pay everything in full. I'm gonna have this card on auto pay, so I'll never have to even worry about this number ever. Annual fee is $95. So since this card is first purchase, I'm paying $95 essentially for 60,000 American airline miles, which is, to me, totally worth it since I have some plans with this card, or with the points, which I'll get into a little later. Late fees, which I'll never have to worry about since I'm gonna have auto pay on this account. And here's a long list of stuff that I probably need a lawyer to translate for me. Wow, this is good. This could go like on my wall or something. It's a lot of words. All right, we're gonna move this to the side. I'm gonna let us know, Barclays is gonna let us know some other information. They're not gonna share my information. Thank you, Barclays. Talking about affiliates, non-affiliates, joint marketing. That's cool. Let's see, guide to benefits. So this card does have some benefits with it that aren't as attractive as other cards. We'll briefly go through it. Like, you get identity theft, a small percentage of rental insurance. What else we got here? Purchase assurance coverage. We have extended warranty coverage right there. And then here's some other terms and conditions. Wow, unlike Chase, I don't know if you've seen my other unboxing video. They just had it in like kind of stapled thing that you would just flip through. They just really lay this one all out. It makes it even more overwhelming and not want to go through it. All right, so let's get to the good part here. We have some of the benefits here. We have 2 miles per dollar spent for American Airlines, and then also other business merchants such as office supply stores, telecommunication, car rental, and then 1 mile per dollar spent on everything else. And every year that I have the account open, I'll get 5% AAdvantage American Airline mile bonus on the total numbers of miles that I earn using the card. That doesn't count the 60,000 mile sign-up bonus, unfortunately. That'd be pretty cool. And I also get first check bag free, which is good because that could be, add up, especially now that I'm a family of 4. But fun fact, we haven't checked a bag in, I think it's been about 4 years. We've been to maybe like 15 or more trips, and we always just have a backpack that we put everything in, even with our daughter who was 2 years old at the youngest. All right, so now I'm gonna show the card. Let me give you a little flash. Just don't copy down the number. Oh, okay, good. My producer was able to cover my number, barely. All right, so this is the card. This is the pamphlet to make it look really nice. I like the New York skyline. It's pretty cool. Let's take this card out. Keep this sticker stuck. All right, so this is it. This is a business card. So it has, get it in focus. So it has my Wise Flies company name here. Here's the number. It's actually a pretty sleek black card. I like this kind of metal grating over here. It makes it look more advanced than the other Aviator card, the personal version. So yeah, this is the Advantage Aviator Barclays business card. Basically just gonna get it for the 60,000 point sign-up bonus. Not really gonna keep this card much longer because the same benefits this card offers I get with other cards, so there's no point there. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. If you want to watch more videos on credit cards and travel points so you could travel anywhere in the world almost free, then you could click any of these links over here, and I'll see you in the next video.